Imagine a home that survived 150 years of scorching summers, torrential rains, and bushfire threats, and still stands prouder than the day it was built. That's the power of Australian homestead barn design. Today, I'm revealing the 7 exterior design secrets that made these iconic structures not just survive, but become the most sought-after architectural style in modern Australia. And if you stick around at number 5, I'll show you the one element that architects say is absolutely non-negotiable. Let's dive in. Before we get started, if you're serious about building or designing your dream rural home, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I post deep dives like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's talk about why Australian homestead barns are making an explosive comeback in 2026. The Australian homestead legacy. Australian homestead barns aren't just buildings. They're survival machines wrapped in timeless beauty. Born from the harsh realities of colonial Australia in the 1850s, these structures were designed by hardy pioneer farmers who had one job: create shelter that could withstand Australia's brutal climate while housing families, livestock, and equipment all in one functional space. What makes these designs so special is their accidental genius. Early settlers didn't have the luxury of architects or fancy materials. They used what they had: timber from the land, corrugated iron shipped from Britain, and designs borrowed from both British colonial traditions and practical necessity. The result was a uniquely Australian architectural language that's now being rediscovered by modern architects and homeowners alike. Today, we're seeing a massive resurgence. Creative Australian architects are taking these humble farm structures and transforming them into stunning contemporary homes that honor the past while embracing modern sustainability and design. From the Mornington Peninsula to the mountains of northeast Victoria, homestead barn-inspired homes are popping up everywhere, and for good reason. Design Element 1. The Pavilion Layout. The first genius element of Australian homestead barn design is the Multi-Pavilion Layout. This wasn't just aesthetic, it was pure functional brilliance. Traditional homesteads like Yanga in Balranald, Lanyon in Canberra, and Throsby Park in the Southern Highlands all used this clever system. Instead of one massive barn structure, they created multiple connected pavilions, each serving different purposes. You'd have a living pavilion, a sleeping pavilion, and a working pavilion for farm operations. Why does this matter today? Modern architects have discovered that this layout is perfect for contemporary living. You can close off sections when guests aren't visiting, open everything up for large family gatherings, and create distinct zones for work and relaxation. One pavilion might house your main living areas with soaring ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows. Another contains private bedrooms, and a third serves as a workshop or studio space. The connections between pavilions create protected outdoor rooms, courtyards, verandas, and alfresco spaces. This means you're not just building a house, you're creating a compound that responds to how you actually live. Plus, it allows for future expansion without ruining the aesthetic. Need more space in 10 years? Add another pavilion. Design Element 2. Corrugated Iron Mastery. Let's talk about the material that defines Australian homestead barns: corrugated iron. This material arrived in Australia in the 1850s from Britain and immediately revolutionized rural construction. Corrugated iron is lightweight, incredibly durable, fire-resistant, and weathers beautifully. Those undulations aren't just for looks. They provide structural strength, create amazing shadow play throughout the day, and help rainwater run off efficiently. On a homestead barn, you'll see corrugated iron used both vertically and horizontally, creating visual interest and texture. Modern homestead barn designs are embracing this material in exciting ways. Some architects are using traditional galvanized finishes for that authentic heritage look, while others are opting for COLORBOND steel in contemporary colors like monument, ironstone, or even bold mangrove for a modern twist. The key is understanding that corrugated iron isn't cheap or basic. It's iconic Australian design language. The vertical application of corrugated iron on walls creates dramatic linear patterns that draw the eye upward, emphasizing height. When used on roofs, those steep pitches between 35 to 45 degrees ensure efficient water runoff during heavy rains, while creating those signature barn profiles that stand out against the landscape. Design Element 3. The Verandah Tradition. Here's the element that absolutely cannot be compromised: the Australian veranda. This is the heart and soul of homestead barn design. Verandas weren't decorative luxuries. They were climate survival tools. In Australia's harsh climate, these wide covered spaces provide essential shade, protect walls and windows from direct sun and rain, create comfortable outdoor living areas, and dramatically reduce interior temperatures. Early settlers quickly learned that wrapping a building in verandas made it livable. On authentic homestead barns, you'll see verandas that wrap around multiple sides, sometimes the entire structure. They feature deep overhangs, often extending 2 to 3 meters from the main building. The roofs are typically corrugated iron supported by timber posts, sometimes with decorative timber fretwork or simple chamfer detailing. Modern interpretations are taking this further. Contemporary homestead barn designs feature verandas with polished concrete floors, integrated outdoor kitchens, and ceiling fans for year-round comfort. Some designs incorporate bullnose verandas, where the corrugated iron curves gracefully downward at the front posts, creating that iconic Australian rural aesthetic. The veranda serves multiple functions. It's your outdoor dining room, your summer living space, your afternoon reading spot, and your storm watching theater. Without a proper veranda, you don't have a homestead barn, you just have a barn-shaped house. Design element 4. Materials that tell a story. Australian homestead barn exteriors are all about honest, natural materials that age with character. We're talking rammed earth, reclaimed timber, local hardwoods, natural stone, and of course, corrugated iron. Rammed earth has been used in Australian homesteads since colonial times and often outlives everything else. It provides incredible thermal mass for passive solar design, absorbing heat during the day and releasing it at night, naturally regulating interior temperatures. Modern homestead barns are incorporating rammed earth walls as feature elements, creating stunning visual contrast against timber and iron. Timber cladding, particularly Australian hardwoods like spotted gum, ironbark, or silvertop ash, brings warmth and texture. Some designs use weatherboards to reference traditional farmhouses, while others opt for vertical timber battens for a more contemporary barn aesthetic. The key is using timber that will silver beautifully over time, rather than fighting the natural aging process. Reclaimed materials are huge in modern homestead barn design. Salvaged timber beams, recycled weatherboards, and heritage bricks connect new builds to the past while adding instant character. One stunning example is a renovated horse barn in Hobart that retained original stone walls and timber framework, inserting modern elements while celebrating the agricultural heritage. Design element 5. Window placement strategy. Windows on homestead barns aren't randomly placed. They're strategically positioned for climate control, views, and light management. Traditional homestead barns featured relatively small windows to minimize heat gain and maintain structural integrity. Modern interpretations flip this approach while maintaining the barn aesthetic. You'll see large floor-to-ceiling windows on the southern side, capturing views without excessive heat, expansive north-facing glazing for passive solar gain in winter, carefully positioned clear-story windows and gable ends bringing light deep into barn structures, and limited west-facing windows to avoid brutal afternoon sun. The trick is balancing openness with the barn vernacular. Many successful designs use vertical proportions for windows, echoing barn door shapes even when they're large. Others group smaller windows together, creating visual interest while maintaining that agricultural character. High-set windows near the roofline are particularly effective in barn designs. They flood lofts and upper levels with natural light while maintaining privacy and allowing hot air to escape. Combined with lower windows, they create excellent cross-ventilation, essential for Australian summers. Design element 6. The pitched roof profile. The steeply pitched roof is non-negotiable in homestead barn design, typically ranging from 35 to 45 degrees. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's functional design at its finest. Steep pitches allow for efficient water runoff during heavy rains, create dramatic interior spaces with vaulted ceilings, provide excellent attic or loft space for storage or additional rooms, help snow and debris slide off easily in alpine regions, and make a bold architectural statement against the landscape. Modern homestead barn roofs often feature gable ends, sometimes with dramatic barn doors or windows filling the gable space. Some designs incorporate Dutch gables or combination hip and gable roofs for added visual interest. The key is maintaining clean, simple lines that reference agricultural buildings. Narrow eaves are a contemporary twist on tradition, often just 200 millimeters compared to the typical 450 to 600 millimeters. This creates that crisp, dramatic barn form that's become so popular in modern Australian architecture. However, it's crucial to ensure water management is properly engineered with narrower eaves. Dormer windows are making a comeback in homestead barn designs, particularly on larger structures. They add authentic detail, bring natural light to upper levels, and break up large roof planes without compromising the overall barn profile. Design Element 7. Color and Finish Palette. The exterior color palette of Australian homestead barns is rooted in the landscape and natural materials, but modern interpretations are getting bolder. Traditional palettes include natural timber silvers and grays, galvanized iron silver, earthy reds and browns from brick and iron oxide, deep greens referencing gum trees and paddocks, and neutral creams and tans from sandstone and earth. Contemporary homestead barn designs are embracing darker, more dramatic palettes. Charcoal and black exteriors create stunning contrast against rural landscapes, making buildings appear to recede or stand out depending on lighting. Monument gray, woodland gray, and night sky are popular COLORBOND choices that reference traditional materials while feeling fresh and modern. Some architects are using mixed material strategies. Dark corrugated iron on the main barn form with natural timber accents, rammed earth and natural tones contrasted with black window frames, or weathered timber cladding combined with galvanized iron details. The key is maintaining authenticity. Even when using bold contemporary colors, the forms, materials, and details should still clearly reference agricultural buildings. The color enhances rather than fighting against the barn vernacular. Why this matters in 2026. Australian homestead barn exterior design is experiencing a renaissance because it solves modern problems. These designs are inherently sustainable, using passive solar principles, natural ventilation, and durable materials. They're highly adaptable, allowing for flexible living arrangements and future expansion. They connect to landscape, using verandas and material choices that blur indoor-outdoor boundaries. They're cost-effective, especially when incorporating sheds or workshops into the design. And they offer timeless appeal that won't look dated in 20 years. Award-winning projects like the Scandi Barn in Strathalbyn, Benham Homestead Extension in Queensland, and Kiln House in Northeast Victoria prove that homestead barn design can compete with any architectural style for sophistication and livability. The 7 essential elements recap. Let's quickly recap the 7 exterior design secrets. Multi-pavilion layouts for flexible living, corrugated iron used with intention and craft, wraparound verandas for climate control and lifestyle, honest natural materials that age gracefully, strategic window placement for light and climate, steeply pitched roofs creating drama and function, and authentic color palettes rooted in landscape. These aren't trends, they're timeless principles developed over 150 years of Australian rural living. Whether you're building new or renovating, understanding these elements will help you create a home that looks and performs brilliantly. So there you have it, the 7 exterior design secrets of Australian homestead barns that modern architects are using to create stunning rural homes. Which element surprised you most? Are you planning a homestead barn project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what aspect of this design style appeals to you most. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into architectural styles, building techniques, and design inspiration. Check out the video description for links to architects and projects mentioned today. And don't miss my next video, where I'll be breaking down the interior design elements that make these barns work as modern homes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.